Well, Chitrakoot is a beautiful place. It is situated on the bank of a river Mandakini. And in Hindu religion, this place is the most sacred place because Lord Ram and Sita lived here for 11 and a half years when they were on exile for 14 years. They lived on a mountain called Kamtanaji, Kamadgiri, and it's a belief that if you have a walk around the hill barefooted, then all your sins from last four lives will be balanced. In Chitrakoot and in surrounding areas of Chitrakoot, there were so many places where you can see the footprints of Lord Ram and Sita on these stones, and we have a lot of temples here in Chitrakoot, and thousands of saints live here in Chitrakoot, those who keep on chanting Sita Ram all the time. In Chitrakoot, we have three big organizations, those who are working for poor people and for needy people, or to help the society and for the upliftment of the society. Dindayal Research Institute is one of them, and Nanaji Deshmukh is a founder of Dindayal Research Institute, and he started this project 30 years before. In 1992, Dindayal Research Institute started Chitrakoot project, and we started with the village university, and in 1994 onwards we started so many different projects to help and to approach the rural people and to help them. Nanaji Deshmukh, he's a man who started this project to make this society self-reliant, and to make them self-reliant, Nanaji has wanted to create a model, and he adopted 500 villages in the periphery of Chitrakoot, and we were working on 6 big domains. The one is health, education, clean and green village, dispute-free village. If in any society or in any village, if these domains or the problems related to these domains are solved, then that village or that society will be a developed one. In India, we have 6 lakh villages, 600,000 villages, and so many people from government and from different places from abroad, they came to project to see that how we are working, and we wanted to create a model, and we wanted to show government and to other people that how one can work on any model to make the society and the village self-reliant. We already reached 500 villages, and we worked a lot on all these domains, and all these 500 villages has been self-reliant, and that's why a lot of people from different places and from government bodies and different NGOs are coming to see our work. Nanaji made this Arogdham premises. This premises is working on a health point of view, and in health we have a hospital here in the premises, and we have a pharmacy unit also, we have a research laboratory also, we do clinical trials in Ayurvedic things, and we also do the rural camps. So far as the dental things are concerned, Nanaji approached Dr. Naresh Sharma. He's a president of Chitrakoot Project UK, and he started installing the dental department in 2000, and we have 4 surgeries, the dental lab, the x-ray machine, the operation theater, and we are working on we are solving and treating all the dental problems here. So far as the health problem is concerned, we have the Arogdham premises, the Arogdham campus, and like Arogdham campus, we have 19 projects here in Chitrakoot, which is run by Dindayal Research Institute, and Dindayal Research Institute has projects like this all over India at 4 places. Nanaji Deshmukh approached Dr. Naresh Sharma. They were family friends, and Nanaji went to UK to meet Dr. Naresh Sharma, and then Dr. Naresh Sharma promised Nanaji that he will install the dental department in Chitrakoot project, and the objective will be that we will treat even to the person who is standing on last start of society with excellence and dedication. So in 2000, Dr. Naresh Sharma and his team took the initiative, and we opened the department with the 2 surgeries, and right today we have 4 well-equipped surgeries. You can see we have a viewer, we have a X-ray, OPG X-ray machine downstairs, we have computer, we have all the modern equipments with X-ray machine even in every surgery, and we do working on cross infection control and everything. The dentistry what we are doing here is all on UK standards. So a lot of volunteers from UK keep on coming to help the project, to teach us knowledge transformation. A lot of UK university students, King's College, Birmingham University, Leeds University, the students from these universities come to this institute, to this center to get their electives. So today we start with 5 people, the department, but today we have 15 people working here, and every day we treat something around 70-80 patients, and that is of very low cost. We charge very minimum amount of money so that people give respect to the treatment, and maximum treatments we do free for poor people. We do clefts camp every year. Till now, in 4 years, we treated 210 patients with orofacial deformities, lips, palates, pharyngoplasties, rhinoplasties, tumors, bone contractures. So this is a center from where scaling to implant is being done in routine dental treatment. So right now we are in the dental lab, and he is Mukesh. He's a master technician, you can say to him. And this dental lab started taking shape 4 years before, when the founder of Global Denture, Mr. Julian Bory, he came to the institute and we start working together. That time my team, me and Julian start working, and we start thinking about the dental lab in this rural area, and we start with a very small dental lab with no big facilities and no big and good equipments and material. Then Julian and the Global Denture start making efforts to give shape to the dental lab, and today this lab is working and is in shape because of 3 big organizations. One is the Chitrakoot Project UK, Global Denture, and the Deen Dayal Research Institute. We have 3 working stations here. The team, Mukesh, Sanjay, Mohanlal, they are the full-time dental technician here, and this is a section where we do the complete denture things and the partial denture things. This side we have a room in which we have a casting machine, the cylinders, the sand blaster, and the oven. This side we have a porcelain kit, and we have one room this side which is a plaster room, curing, flasking, and everything. And we have ultra modern equipments and machines and material. The Global Denture, the Deen Dayal Research Institute, and the team started working, and we did last year quite camps in which we delivered removable partial dentures to the village people in one day. And when Mr. Hughes Bory was here last year, then in one day we gave delivery to an old patient, to an old woman, 80-year-old woman, complete denture in one day. You can see some of the pictures here, the rural camp, the equipments. Mr. Hughes Bory did the workshop in Chitrakoot and in Lucknow last year, 3-day workshop on complete denture. So you can see different photographs, and a lot of French dental technician coming here from last 2-3 years to work as a volunteer in the lab. Here we are doing all kind of dental things. We are making removable partial dentures, we are making complete dentures, we are making metal crowns, we are making porcelain fused metal crowns, we are making bridges, and last year we did implant here, and for implants Julian made 4-unit crown in this lab. On behalf of Deen Dayal Research Institute and the Chitrakoot Dental Department, I wanna say thanks, and I wanna say thanks from my team and from the patients, the rural patients. Thanks to everyone, Chitrakoot Project UK, Global Denture, Deen Dayal Research Institute. Just because of them, this lab came into shape, and we are able to give deliveries of partial dentures and complete dentures and all the dental things to the rural and needy people. And I would like to say thanks to the people, those who had helped Global Denture or Chitrakoot Project UK or Deen Dayal Research Institute by any means. Just because of them, this good work is keep on going, and we keep on giving deliveries to patients, and we are giving a smile to patients. Every day we see that patient is going from here with a smile. So thanks to everyone whomsoever helped us in any means. Thank you very much.